Okay, this is something to do during COVID-19. If you have a laptop that you use a lot and you never clean the fans off of it or anything, this is what you do. All you gotta do is just turn it off. This one here is an Alienware. This is a 2015 model or 2015 I think. I bought it used off of eBay. Okay, then flip it upside down. You may have several screws, you may have just 4. This particular unit only has 2 screws. They're missing because, like I said, I bought it used on eBay. It was in pretty bad shape, but I did some swapping out of parts myself. So basically I'm using gaffer's tape to hold the back lid down. That's pretty cheesy ghetto, but it works. It does the trick. So just remove the back plate. Okay, you'll come across your fans. Here's one fan here. Here's another fan there. Here's the bottom of the laptop. And what you do is you go find the old toothbrush. And you just go to each of these fans and just wipe the dust off of it with this old toothbrush. Just make sure it's not wet. And go to each of these things, just thoroughly clean off the fins. This one looks okay, I think. Okay, go to the next one. This thing has 2 processors. One's a video card processor and the other one is the regular processor, so that's why there's 2 of them here. One cools the processor, the other one cools the video card. Just clean that and maybe clean it where the ducts go in, the air ducts. Clean the outside of it maybe, like this, where the air ducts are. If you don't have air ducts, then that's okay. But this model here, the Alien 2015 has air ducts. And that's pretty much it. This side here is the processor side, so this one does a lot more work than the other side. And just clean it off like that. You can blow on it. It's good to go. That's it. Put your lid back on and you have a happy, clean computer. Okay, we plugged everything back in. We put the lid on the bottom. Let's see if it starts up. See if it starts up. I think it is. And let's see. Yeah, success. Starts up. Alright, so anyway, it's a good little thing to do when you're trapped with COVID-19. Just get your computer cleaned up there. It'll take take you maybe about an hour or so, but shouldn't take very long. And you have a nice clean computer. Well, the fans will like you, and things like that. All right, we'll check you on next time. Have a good day.